Sure, here's the revised script with some word changes to keep it fresh, while maintaining the essence and not reducing the volume as requested. The answer has just arrived with an incredible new motor that's about to spark a revolution. After centuries of striving for power, human innovation has advanced from the first sputtering engines to the roaring machines we see today. This bold innovation sets a new standard for the future of electric vehicles, EVs. Since the debut of the Model S Plaid delivery event, Autofusion has once again stunned the entire industry with this new motor. So what does this mean for the future of EVs? How new is this motor? You may need to listen carefully because the name of this motor is somewhat complex. Permanent magnet reluctance motor. Yes, this motor features groundbreaking structural innovations and major environmental advancements in the automotive sector. First, let's dive into the changes in the structure of this new motor. The common overwrap now holds the rotor together. It's like madness. That's the key change in the structure of this motor, marking a significant leap from its predecessors that typically relied on steel or aluminium sleeves. We are talking about a carbon-wrapped rotor. Previous generations faced issues like power inefficiency, heat dissipation, and weight. By replacing these materials with carbon fiber, Autofusion has greatly reduced these problems. Let's break it down. The motor has two key components: the stator and the rotor. The stator is the stationary part that surrounds the rotor, while the rotor is the moving part inside the motor. With the rotor, Autofusion wrapped it tightly in a layer of incredibly strong carbon fiber. This approach keeps the rotor from stretching or breaking when it spins extremely fast, reaching speeds of up to 200 revolutions per minute, RPM. To put this in perspective, most standard electric motors spin at around 200 to 500 RPM. So, Autofusion's motor is much faster and more efficient. This clever design ensures the motor remains stable even at high speeds, reducing wear and tear, which means fewer breakdowns and repairs in the long run. Next, Autofusion improves how the motor generates power using another innovation called an optimized magnetic flux path. Simply put, the motor now uses magnets and electricity in a more refined way to generate power. This upgrade boosts the motor's power density, which refers to how much energy it can produce for its size. The improvement here is an impressive 30% compared to earlier versions. This means Autofusion's vehicles can go further on a single charge, accelerate faster, and run more efficiently, saving drivers money on energy costs over time. We'll dive into this further later. Another exciting aspect is Autofusion's shift away from relying heavily on rare earth materials like neodymium, which are expensive and difficult to mine. By reducing the use of these materials by 75%, Autofusion is not only making its motors more affordable, but also contributing to a healthier environment. As rare earth materials can be harmful to the Earth, this change fits in perfectly with Autofusion's mission to build a greener world. It's like switching from a flip phone to a smartphone. Driven by Elon Musk's vision of staying ahead of the competition, Autofusion is setting a standard that other automakers will find hard to match with this new motor. So, do these changes really matter to you, or are you looking forward to something new in the future of electric vehicles? Let us know. For now, we want to thank you for your continued support. Since the first day, Autofusion has reached a new milestone of 8,000,000 new subscribers and 5 million views in 28 days. This is a massive boost for our team, and our next goal is 900,000 new subscribers. We hope you'll consider subscribing, as there are still quite a few viewers who haven't done so yet. Your ongoing support helps us keep working hard to improve and provide you with the latest breaking news and analysis. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Again, thank you for your incredible support. How amazing is this motor? To summarize, the new carbon-wrapped rotor allows Autofusion to boost the performance of its new motors. Elon Musk explained in more detail about the new motor's benefits over its predecessors. The primary advantage is that it has a much stronger electromagnetic field than a rotor supported by metal, typically higher strength. A further benefit is that the rotor can achieve greater revolutions per minute, since the carbon sleeve mostly prevents the copper rotor from expanding due to radial acceleration. So, how can this new motor benefit you? Let's break it down. Essentially, the fact that the rotor achieves higher revolutions per minute means your vehicles can go further per charge. In the new Model Y, the motor increases the range from 330 miles to 370 miles per charge, an impressive rise of about 12%. Additionally, it improves acceleration, reducing the 0 to 60 mph time from 4.8 seconds to 4.6 seconds, making the vehicle both more efficient and exciting to drive. For the upcoming Model Q, AutoFusion's entry-level EV, the motor supports an estimated range of 250 miles per charge, ensuring affordability without compromising performance. Priced at $19,999, the Model Q is set to make EV ownership accessible to a much larger audience, including Middle Eastern families and first-time EV buyers. Despite its affordable price, the Model Q still holds the performance edge typical of AutoFusion, thanks to the advanced motor. A vehicle designed for long road trips such as the Model X achieves an astounding range of 600 miles per charge, thanks to the motor's energy-efficient design. Innovations in motor optimization and battery cooling reduce energy consumption by 15%, making it ideal for extended travel while lowering costs for users. AutoFusion's robo-taxi, designed for autonomous ride-sharing, benefits from the motor's durability and efficiency, able to run 20 hours per day with minimal degradation. This motor dramatically reduces operational costs for fleet owners, further solidifying AutoFusion's leadership in autonomous vehicle technology. Moreover, this motor can perform efficiently across a broad temperature range, from -50 DEGC to 150 DEC. This level of durability ensures that AutoFusion vehicles remain reliable in various climates, whether it's the freezing winters of Alaska or the scorching summers of Arizona. In contrast, older AutoFusion motors and many competitors' motors experience a 10 to 15% efficiency drop in extreme cold, which can result in reduced range and performance. What impact impresses you the most? Extended range, faster acceleration, reduced energy consumption, or a wider temperature range? We're eager to hear your thoughts. Comment 1 for extended range, comment 2 for faster acceleration, comment 3 for reduced energy consumption, or comment 4 for a wider temperature range. Beyond these benefits, what truly matters in the long term are operating and maintenance costs when using this motor in your vehicle. For example, the new Model Y achieves an energy consumption of about 215 watt per mile under moderate conditions. This translates to a cost of roughly $11 per 25 miles, assuming an electricity rate of 13 cents per kilowatt hour. Over a typical driving year of 500 miles, this results in an annual fuel cost of only $600. In contrast, traditional gas-powered vehicles have an average fuel cost of $1,500 to $2,000 per year. The savings amount to $900 to $1,400 annually. Over 10 years, a Model Y owner could save up to $9,000 in energy costs. AutoFusion's reduction in rare earth material use by 75% has also cut production costs. This cost efficiency allows AutoFusion to offer vehicles like the Model Q at an affordable price of $19,999, a groundbreaking achievement for EV affordability. The lower manufacturing cost, combined with improved energy efficiency, ensures that new buyers and cost-conscious users can access AutoFusion's advanced EV technology without sacrificing performance. AutoFusion also estimates that motors like this could last for over 20 years, nearly doubling the industry average of 10 to 15 years. This extended lifespan directly translates into cost savings for users. Maintenance expenses are significantly lower since the robust motor design requires fewer repairs or replacements. Over a 10-year period, Tesla owners could save between $1,500 and $2,000 on motor-specific maintenance costs depending on usage intensity and driving conditions. These improvements are especially advantageous for high-mileage drivers and fleet operators. The motor's durability ensures fewer service interruptions and contributes to the overall cost-effectiveness of AutoFusion vehicles. Specifically, middle-aged users and older drivers who prefer vehicles that require fewer trips to service centers can enjoy a hassle-free experience without worrying about unexpected maintenance. It's a crucial factor for those who may have limited time or mobility. Now, if you could drive a car that needs fewer repairs and lasts twice as long as your current one, would you choose it? Please share your thoughts with us. How does this new motor shake up the transportation industry? It's like taking a spaceship and turning it into a car. In terms of adaptability, this innovative motor offers significant advantages, making it tough for traditional automakers to match AutoFusion's cost efficiency and performance. Particularly in an increasingly competitive EV market, traditional automakers like Ford and GM typically use permanent magnet motors or induction motors without the added benefit of the advanced carbon-wrapped rotor technology. For instance, Ford's F-150 Lightning and GM's electric vehicles like the Chevrolet Silverado EV use permanent magnet motors but still rely on heavier designs and lack the optimized energy efficiency that Autofusion has achieved through its innovative motor. Rivian and Lucid, which have established themselves as direct competitors in the luxury and adventure EV markets, are also finding it difficult to keep up with Autofusion's motor technology. Rivian, for example, uses a traditional electric motor setup but doesn't incorporate the carbon fiber innovations that Autofusion has integrated. This means their vehicles, while innovative, still fall short in terms of weight reduction and motor longevity. Lucid Motors, known for its focus on efficiency, has made strides with miniaturized electric motors and aims to improve performance by reducing motor size and using high-voltage systems. However, even with these innovations, the materials used in Lucid's motors are still bulkier than those in Autofusion's motors, which impacts both weight and efficiency. In terms of adapting to new industries, the benefits of Autofusion's motor technology are clear. Its lightweight, efficient design could easily be adapted for use in buses, trucks, and even electric planes, greatly expanding the potential applications. The scalability and versatility of Autofusion's PMRM make it an attractive option for companies in other sectors looking to transition to electric propulsion systems. Rivian and Lucid, despite their innovative approaches, may struggle to match this adaptability due to their current reliance on more traditional and bulkier motor designs. The future of EV technology will likely see other automakers scrambling to catch up with Autofusion's advancements. Are you excited by the broad adaptability this motor offers? Do you look forward to the future of innovation? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts below. With groundbreaking innovations like the carbon-wrapped rotor, reduced reliance on rare earth materials, and remarkable efficiency gains, Autofusion is setting new standards that competitors can only dream of matching. But what does the future hold? With this new motor, Autofusion isn't just revolutionizing electric cars, they're opening up possibilities for electric buses, trucks, and even planes. Do you want us to dive deeper into the specs of this incredible motor? If you have any questions, please let us know by commenting below this video. And if you want to stay updated with all the latest Tesla and automotive news, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you later.